Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Look Fantastic promo codes. So let's get started. So Look Fantastic is an online website where you can buy different type of products like skincare, makeup, and etc. And it has many brands. So let's get started on how you can get a discount while purchasing from this website. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna write this on your web browser, Look Fantastic promo code, and you're gonna go to this website Coupons for you. Alright, so once you're here, you'll see many offers. So for example, the first one says up to 40% off and extra 25% off favorite beauty products. So you can click show coupon, and that's the coupon to get up to 40% off and extra 25% off your beauty products. Then you can also scroll down and see more. For example, let's see this one, biggest summer event, save 25% off when you spend 350 dirhams. So I'm gonna click show coupon, see a few. So now I'm gonna go to some other website and see a few more coupons. So I'm gonna close this. Okay, then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna go here right now, discount code UAE. I'm gonna wait for the website to open. Okay, so once I'm on this website, the first one says 15% off, and it says get flat 15% off on almost everything, and it's a back to school sale. So you can click on it, get coupon code, and that's the code, get 15, and it's valid till August 31st. And today, as you guys can see, it is August 17th, so you have about 12 days to redeem it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.